All right, class. Today, we are going to learn about subtraction. Gwen, what is 178 minus 139?
It is 39.
Well done, Gwen. 39 is the correct answer. Okay, Kalo, what is 259 minus 127?
The answer is 132.
Great job, Kalo. The correct answer is 132. What about you, Jeremy? What is 1,245,849,129 minus 680,124,022?
What? No, that's extremely hard. I do not want to answer that stupid math question. How would I know that? And I really hate school.
Jeremy, how dare you refuse to answer the math question? That's it. I will call another one. Dora, did you know the answer of this question?
Of course, yes. It is 565,725,107.
Congrats, Dora. That is the correct answer.
God damn it, I am so bored right now, and the school is really annoying. What should I do? Oh, wait a second, I have an idea. I am going to pull the fire alarm. That will be nice. Excuse me, Mrs. Patterson, can I go to the restroom, please?
Sure, Jeremy, but be faster. Social studies is about to start.
Thanks, Mrs. Patterson. Oh look, a fire alarm. I am going to pull that so that the rest of the classrooms hear that noise. How Now to get out of here before I get caught.
Oh my god, looks like I heard the fire alarm noise. Mrs. Patterson, I think we better get out of the classroom.
That's a great idea, Lily. Let's get out. Dora.
Here.
Kalo.
Here.
Gwen.
Here.
And Lily.
Here.
Students, that was just a false alarm. Someone might have pulled a fire alarm. We are looking for the person who just did it. You guys may now go back to the classroom.
Great job, classmates. You did this thing seriously. You didn't talk, you didn't misbehave, and you all stayed in line. But I am confused right now, because I don't know which student did this. Can anyone know who pulled the fire alarm?
Mrs. Patterson, I already knew who pulled the fire alarm. It was Jeremy. He was the one in the hallway before we heard the alarm.
What? Really? Oh my God. Thanks, Gwen, for telling me. I will go to Principal Brown's office and tell her about what happened.
So Mrs. Patterson, what brings you here?
Principal Tina, I want to tell you something. This is important. The one who pulled the fire alarm was Jeremy Crosby.
He did what? Oh my God, thanks for telling me about this. I'm going to call him on my office right this instant. Jeremy Crosby, please report to my office immediately. Jeremy Crosby, please report to my office immediately.
Principal Brown, what do you want now?
Mrs. Patterson said that you pulled a fire alarm. Is this true? Tell me the truth right now.
You are not going to be happy when I say this, but yes, I pulled the fire alarm because I don't want school anymore, and school is so boring nowadays.
What? Oh my goodness, Jeremy, how fucking dare you pull the fire alarm? You know that pulling the fire alarm at other places like school is illegal, and you can get arrested for that. For this, me and your teacher are going to call your parents to come pick you up from school. In addition of that, you are suspended for 19 weeks.
Jeremy, let's go home right now, and you will be so grounded. Are you out of your mind right now, Jeremy the teen bitch? We can't fucking believe that you pulled the fire alarm at school. Didn't you know that pulling the fire alarm at other places like school is illegal and you can go to prison for that? Now thanks to you, we have to pay $800 for the fine.
Your mother is right, you shouldn't pull the fire alarm to avoid getting arrested. For this, you are grounded until your suspension time is over.
Go to your room right now. We are so infuriated at you for what you have done this time, you stupid dumbass.
Wow.